Welcome if you're new to my channel. Today we have a vlog, and today I thought I would share me getting ready, even though I literally just woke up. I have an appointment this morning, but I was like, you know what? Let me show them me getting ready. So I'm sharing a few of my favorite products that I use every morning, and I'm just keeping it simple today because I am going in for an appointment. I just want to do my basics, which is using my Fenty Skin Tint and putting on my mascara. That's as basic as we're going to be today, and I'm fine with that. So let me just brush my hair really quick and get ready to go. And I'm trying to do this quietly because it is pretty early on a Saturday morning. Beautiful fall Saturday morning, but it's early nonetheless. So we're just going to go ahead and get ready. But I hope that you enjoyed today's video. By the way, my name is Aria. Might want to introduce myself in case you're new. And I mostly share home decor content on my blog, on my channel. I'm a blogger too, and I do mostly share home decor content on my blog. But on my channel, I mostly share home decor content, but I'm also sharing some vlogs, a little bit of lifestyle content, a little bit of, not everything, but just a little bit of me. So I hope that you like today's video. And if you do, make sure you like and subscribe. I would love to have you join my little community. How awkward is it, by the way, putting on mascara, knowing that you're being filmed? Pretty awkward, but I'm just going to keep it simple today. And here is my finished look. You know, can't go wrong with the Dunder Mifflin tea. I'm a huge Office fan, in case you didn't know. But now, let's get to going. Let's go on for the rest of our day. We have a lot in store. So, let's get going, shall we? Feels great out here. I'm trying not to look at the corner camera, so I'm sorry, but it does feel great out here. So we are going to head in to go and get my first mammogram. And I know I probably can't and won't be able to, you know, that's perfectly fine, be able to share like inside the office and stuff like that, but I still want to document me going, you know? I couldn't sleep. I mean, I slept, but my sleep was crazy last night. I tossed and turned a lot. I had a lot of crazy dreams, and I kept waking up thinking it was like, I had my alarm set for 7. My appointment's at 8. Well, my appointment's at 8:30, but I got to be there at 8:15. And so I kept waking up thinking, it's 7 o'clock. Why isn't my alarm going off? And it was like 2 o'clock, and then 4 o'clock, and then 5 something, and I was like, so, but we're gonna get going, and it's not gonna be that bad. I'm just gonna tell myself, and even if it is that bad, it's not gonna last forever. So let's get going. And I need my phone for my GPS because I don't know where it's at, but anyway. And I'm hungry and I'm thirsty, and I don't want to eat or drink anything because I'm too nervous, and I don't know the protocols. Are you allowed to, I mean, it's not surgery. Are you allowed to eat something? Anyway, I'm just really tired. I have a lot going on today. But I'll take you along with me. This is a fall day in my life video, and we'll see what's going on in my life today. Okay, so I have left the mammogram, and I have been looking for this from Starbucks for the longest time. This is the apple, I don't remember what it's called, an apple croissant. It has been sold out at all of my local Starbucks, the ones near my home and my job. And so this is what it looks like, and I'm going to try it. And this is, I have it warmed. Okay. This is good. My coworker talked about it, and I was like, I don't know. I don't like a lot of filled pastries. And then I saw somebody on TikTok who, like, she loves it so much she gets it like every day. But let me show you, like, I don't see how well you can see that because this is my front camera. So there's like a little bit of like the apple filling. It's like but most of it, as you can see, is the actual flaky croissant. It is like the liquid part or the saucy part of an apple pie. They taste like the one from McDonald's. It's just like a little bit of that. And the rest is a flaky croissant. That's delicious. I almost can't eat the whole thing, but I'm going to. So, while I eat this, I need to tell James I can take Jordan to the eye doctor. It was a quick process to get my mammogram. Some parts uncomfortable, some parts were more uncomfortable than others, but not painful. So I'm glad that I got that over with. I'll have my results on Monday, and we'll see if I can move forward or do I need to have more testing done. Because it's my first one, you know, she said that there may be a reason, like they may need to see more because of the fact that it's the first one. If things don't look like they're a one-for-one match from side to side. But not to be alarmed because it's the first one, so they don't have any historical data to go off of. But we shall see. I am going to finish eating this, text James, and go take Jordan to the eye doctor. And then we can pick up our glasses since we'll be together. You know, when your kids are small, like they're babies, they're toddlers, sometimes they find car washes scary, and I used to not understand. But this is my first time being in one of these car washes with the like brushes and everything in a very long time. And I was like, you know what? This is kind of freaky. This is kind of scary. So you either think it's cool or it's scary, but my car was long overdue for a wash. And so just gonna pull in and get it vacuumed up real quick and go on about my day. I love Trader Joe's pumpkins. They're so pretty, and I just love how unique the different colors are and the shapes are, and they're easy to stack. Some of these Cinderella and Princess pumpkins, and I think there's another name for it that it's going to show in a second, but I don't remember the name of them. But I love their pumpkins, and they're so affordable, so you can decorate indoors with them or outdoors. But I've used these mini ones before in my decorating. I just love the Trader Joe's pumpkins. This is really weird because I just got my glasses. I'm not going to film you, but it's taking some adjusting, getting used to looking through my glasses. Okay, so back home, and we're about to go look at houses. I need to clean this one. that's what stood out to you. Interesting textures, choices. We've been home for a few hours now, and now it's getting a little dark, so I'm going to light a candle, and I need to tidy up the living room, and then I need to work on the kitchen. So let's tidy up together. Here on the vlog today. Honestly, I think I am getting pretty exhausted. Like I said earlier, I didn't sleep that great. I've been up since 7 and looked at houses and everything. So I had planned to do a little bit more today, like this evening. But I think I might just push that off to tomorrow. Some of the things that I want to do that are more like fall-like, and I'll just include that in a different video. I want to do a couple of fall-related videos before we are completely out of the season in my book, because November is holiday. It's not fall to me anymore. So yeah, the only thing I didn't show you earlier today is that James and I went on a little lunch date after we looked at houses. I don't think I mentioned that, but James went to look at some houses with me today. This is his first time. I went and showed him more modern, because I know that's what he likes. He likes more modern style. And so I shared a little bit of one house in here in this vlog. The first house that we saw was really cool. Like, he liked that one a lot. I didn't film any of that. I didn't want to take up time to film. I wanted to just get his just impression and just walk through the house with him. And so I think today we saw five or six houses, but they were all more along the modern style. They were all pretty relatively close to each other. One of them I did film for a separate house tour video. By the way, I have started sharing some of my house tour videos. If you like to watch house tours, make sure that you like and subscribe on those videos so that they get seen more. They're similar to the home decor niche, but they're a little bit different. So I think YouTube, with my first couple ones that I posted, didn't really know what to do with them yet. So if you like those, please go back and watch them. I'll link them in the description box. And then I took one house that I just took pictures of because that would be a blog post. So I do like to share a lot of parade of homes on my blog. So make sure you are following my blog, subscribe for my newsletters, and that way you can get any of the new posts that go out, as well as you can always, I'll leave the Parade of Homes category linked down below if you want to look at any of the houses that I've seen over the past well over 5 years of house content over there on my blog. So I'm going to wrap it up here. I hope everybody has enjoyed watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. We have so much more coming along, and I'm excited to share what I have next for you. So until next time, thanks for watching.